Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we will be knowing about the OSI reference model. ISO established a committee in 1977 to develop an architecture for systems communication. OSI reference model is the result of this effort. This model allows any two different systems to communicate regardless of their underlying architecture. OSI model describes how data flows from one computer through a network to another computer. The OSI model consists of 7 separate but related layers, each of which defines a part of the process of moving information across a network. So here is the diagram which shows the architecture of OSI model and its 7 layers. So now here the question arises, why we use so many layers? So we use these layers to reduce the complexity, and each layer performs a specific task. It provides services to an adjacent layer. Physical layer is the first layer of the OSI model, which is the bottom layer. It is responsible for the actual physical connection between the devices. So here these are the functions of physical layer. It converts bits to signals, bit synchronization, manage physical connection, and so on. These are the functions of data link layer: framing, physical addressing, flow control, error control, and feedback. These are the functions of network layer: routing and logical addressing. Network layer is responsible for the source to destination delivery of a packet across multiple networks. Segmentation and reassembling, service point addressing, and error control are the functions of transport layer. These are the functions of session layer: dialog control, synchronization, establishment, maintaining, and ending a session. So here are the functions of application layer: network virtual terminal, file transfer access and management, mail services, directory services, and so on. So here we conclude our video, and in this video we have learned about the OSI model, its different layers, and also its functions. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this video was useful. Do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.